Hello.
How are you?
Doing alright. So, step on it.
What?
Didn't want to step on it.
Yeah. Your bag?
No, I got it from the Nike outlet when we went.
Oh, okay. How was your weekend? How was your week?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you do anything? Not much?
Not really.
Stayed at home?
I mean, I went out Sunday, grab party, but
How was
Friday, it was okay. I went after like everybody left.
that? Wait, what?
Because it was over, technically, before I even got off work.
Oh, that sucks.
But everyone was still pretty much there that I knew, so. But then Friday, I'll have to let you know because people are talking about going to the movies at like 9:15 is when I think it starts.
Oh, I might be working anyway.
Okay. That works.
Yeah, work is just fucking just horrible. Just, you know, everybody keeps telling me, it's like, yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do this. It's like, we just don't have enough people. It's like, you think? It's like, yeah, there's not enough people. So yeah, that's fine, man. Yeah, if you wanna go hang out Friday, that's fine.
Well, it's not until like 9 at night.
Oh, okay.
So.
Yeah, I think I did almost 60 hours last week.
Pretty good.
So, and then this week could be another like 55-ish or so. I'm not entirely sure yet. If I work both Thursday and Friday, I don't know yet. I got the car fixed.
Okay.
Got the brake line squared away, so Matrix is up and running again for now. I bombed the second interview. I don't know how well I did. I mean, it's a 50-50 shot at least at this point, because I think that some of the questions that they asked, one of the big questions was,